3. Eject! Eject!
What?
Oh, never mind. Okay.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
It did feel like I was going really low, and I was good.
You sank, yeah. You looked really like you were going far down.
Did you not go that far down?
No.
Oh, good. Why did I go so? Were you already pulling up or what?
I mean, it could have been lag. No, I don't do anything until. I think it might just be my timing. I can just grab it a little bit faster. I know when it's ready. I don't know. Whatever you want.
What's the waypoint?
I don't think it has. Alright.
Oh, I figured out
Waited. Actually, you know what? I don't think my waypoints are working. Or maybe I just messed up the order. Yeah, my waypoints aren't working. I don't know what the fuck happened. Where are you?
400 knots.
Oh, I see. Okay, I see.
Let's slow down to 400 knots.
Check trim.
Yours says that too?
Yeah.
Mine doesn't say it this time.
Mine says it.
This is so nice. I clicked in the heading, and now my plane's, I got barometric holds, I'm holding at about 5,900 angles, up to 5,900, and then it automatically sets the tip there. I'm not even touching that controller. I would say this.
Mine's at 373 right now.
Explain this to me. So, I'm going 388 knots, according to my HUD and my speedometer, whatever you call it,
Yeah.
But on the HSI, it says I'm going 425. Is that miles per hour? Is there a different unit?
Wait, where are you seeing that on your HSI?
Right in the middle.
Oh.
Right in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
I know there's 422 crew and 423 ground.
Right.
Crew and ground, but I guess it's got to be different units.
No.
So I think we're all
Oh, you know what? Do you have the waypoints?
I'm on waypoint 1, yeah.
Okay. So, okay, I know what happened. So I put I think I have 3 aircraft on the carrier, but they're all, like, whenever you load them onto the carrier, oh, there's the TACAN, I can see the TACAN guy. They all, like, kind of get snapped into one position, so I can't, like, actually separate between the 3 different, actually,
this waypoint, is this the target or what?
No, that's the TACAN guy. You just see, so past it, kind of, if you look, kind of like past my nose, you should start seeing enemies. Dude.
I turned on the VR, so my resolution is unless there's...
Oh wait, no, here they are. Never mind. So they're like just, you see this past a patch of trees and like dark grass? They're just past this. So we're there pretty much, is what I'm saying.
Oh, I see the enemies.
Okay. I am going to start off with cluster bombs. It's fine, it's not that hard to do. Actually, I don't think these are cluster bombs, because it doesn't make any sense. They're red.
Oh, red.
Okay, so for those ones, you can't program an E-fuse.
N-fuse.